Hi guys, so today I wanted to take a couple of minutes to do a review for you on this really cool screen endoscope. So I have found that for some work around the house, it's really helpful to be able to see into places that you can't normally just see. So for today, just for the review, I'm going to be using the kitchen sink. We're going to take a look down there. But this is great for being able to look in walls, sewers, HVAC, anywhere that you need to be able to see that you can't get to. This little tiny camera is exactly what you're going to want to use to get there. So here's the box that it comes in. If I go ahead and unopen it, I'll show you guys what it's got. So the first thing that I'm going to pull out is the screen itself. It's about 4.3 inches, so it's a really nice size. It's a little bit bigger than my hand to give you a really nice view. The other really cool thing about this too, though, is that you can connect the camera to your computer. So if you really feel like you need to go big, you can set it up with your computer as well. But this is a really nice for travel, or if you're going to take it with you. Great camera. It takes really nice pictures. It's got 180 pixels for video, so you can take camera and video. This OK button is going to be where I turn it on. Let's just go ahead and get into that. So you can see it's got a nice bright clear screen to it. Over here there's a camera button. This is where you're going to click it once to take a picture, you're going to hold it to take a video. And then this button is going to take you to the menu, and here's where you're going to go back. So this side over here that I can open up, this is where I'm going to charge it with a mini USB cable. The camera itself is going to plug in here to the HDMI, and this spot right here is for like a mini SD card in case you want to take a video or save pictures. I don't have one installed in here today, just for reference for what we're doing. So the battery itself, it is a rechargeable lithium battery. It gives you about 3 hours of battery life, so it gives you plenty of time to work on whatever projects you're working on, and it charges relatively quickly, so I think it takes about 2.5 hours to get a full charge. So nothing unusual, easy to plan for. Here's our user manual. On here it's going to tell us all the information on the camera itself, the different parts and pieces and how to use it. It's really great, pretty self-explanatory, very helpful. Next, here's our charger. So this has the mini USB end to it, and then the USB. This is how we're going to charge our camera, followed by the camera itself. So this is really cool. Down here it has 8 different lights on it to be able to have a 180-degree view. You can see whatever you need to see. The cord itself is over 16 feet long. That means that I can stick it in a pipe or stick it anywhere I want to and be able to see just as far as I'm going to need to go. So really awesome. Here's the USB that's going to plug in to the camera itself, or like I said, you can do it with your computer if you're really looking for a bigger view. Next is a stand that you can mount it on, so this way you can set it on whatever surface you want to, and you've got it where you can set it up and be able to watch the view without having to lay it down somewhere, not knowing where it is. So that will set up right here. And last but not least, the different accessories that come for the end of the camera. So in here, what we're gonna find are a mirror. Next, we have a hook. So if you do have something stuck somewhere that you're trying to get, it has a hook that hooks right onto the end of it that you can grab it with. And then it also comes with a magnet. So I really like this. You drop a ring down the drain and you don't know what you're gonna do, how to get it. Stick this magnet onto the end of your camera, you can find it and snag it, and you've got it and you're safe. So I've unfortunately had that happen, so handy little tool. And then it also comes with 2 extra pieces that connect to the bottom of it in case you lose them. So those come with it as well. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead, I'll plug in the camera here for you down on the end. It's really easy to use. Let me open it on the right side. So we're gonna plug it in here and the light automatically lights up. So you can see it's really nice and bright. And it's already giving me a view of what we're looking at. So you guys can't tell, but on my end, it is a super clear picture. It's a really nice, easy to see picture. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna move you closer so you guys can see the screen and you can watch me tinker down the drain so we can check out what's down there and what this video quality looks like. All right, so I've gone ahead and got it set up so you guys can see it's moving real-time motion. So we're just looking right now at the top of the drain. You can see my bright light down here. We'll go ahead and put it in, see what we can see. The picture is really great. You can see we had some pasta for dinner last night. It looks like we may also have a piece of plastic down in there that I probably need to take out. What I'm also gonna do, I'm gonna make this a picture-in-picture for you guys so that you can see it a little bit closer and see all of the things that we're looking at. But you can get a great view on just how much detail this brings out and how bright the screen really is. So if I wanted to look at this and take a picture right now, I would just hit this picture button. It does have a date and time stamp on here. It's telling me, it's giving me a prompt on there that I don't have a memory card in there to be able to do that. I would also just hold it to be able to take a video of everything that I'm looking at. So, I mean, you can see so much detail on there that you would probably be able to see what was in our disposal and exactly what we had for dinner before we ran this last. So, lots of great components to this. You know, like I said, it's got great battery life, this 4.3-inch screen, 8 LED lights on here. You can see how bright they light up even those dark spaces, the picture and video capability, as well as being able to put on the different pieces on here. So all they do is they really just slip on so that you've got them, and then they latch and hook so that you can use them over and over without losing them. So anytime you guys have something that you need to work on in a little tiny place, the Screen Endoscope camera is exactly what you need.